In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Wojak images using Nano Banana Pro. We'll turn a simple reference photo into a clean, expressive Wojak-style image using the image creation workflow inside Google Gemini. I'll keep things straightforward so you can follow along the first time. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the results, choose the official Google Gemini site. It should be the one hosted by Google. Once the Gemini app loads, find the Create Image button. Click it. That action activates the Nano Banana engine under the hood, which is the model responsible for generating the artwork we want. If you see any quick tips or a short intro screen, just continue into the image creation view. Next, upload your reference image by clicking the plus icon. Pick a clear photo or sketch that shows the face or pose you want to transform. For best results, use a well-lit image with a simple background and make sure the subject's expression is visible. PNG or JPG files work great. After it appears in the canvas, you can proceed to guiding the style. Now write your prompt. You can paste this as is and tweak later. Source a Wojak-style meme illustration featuring a simplified human character with expressive facial features, clean black line art, soft shading, and muted pastel colors. The emotion should be exaggerated in classic Wojak fashion with subtle, sketchy lines around the eyes and mouth. This prompt tells the model to keep the hallmark Wojak look: simplified shapes, clear outlines, and gentle shading. If you need a specific vibe, tired, ecstatic, confused, add a short phrase at the end, like conveying exhausted office worker energy or surprised and delighted, to nudge the expression. When your reference is set and your prompt looks good, click Submit. Gemini will generate one or more candidates based on your image and instructions. Give it a moment, review the results, and compare them to the look you're going for. If something feels off, adjust the emotion or color note in the prompt and submit again. Small wording changes often make a big difference, especially with line weight, mood, or color softness. That's it. By going to Google, opening Gemini, creating an image to trigger Nano Banana, uploading a reference, writing a focused Wojak prompt, and submitting, you can reliably produce clean, meme-ready Wojak images in minutes.